So hello everyone. For today's video, I'm going to discuss the nitrogen monoxide. Hi, my name is Manticajon. So for today's agenda, we will learn what nitrogen monoxide is, what is its formula, what does it look like in 3D model, and its real-life applications. So, what is nitrogen monoxide? Nitrogen monoxide is a colorless, odorless, toxic gas that is formed when nitrogen undergoes the oxidation period. Nitrogen monoxide is also heavier than air gas at room temperature. Now, how do we write the structural formula? We have nitrogen and monoxide, so which stands for nitrogen and oxygen. Their value is only 1, which means that the only thing that we need to write is their symbol, which is NO. And that's it. That's our structural formula. Now, if you're wondering why it's called monoxide and not oxygen, it is because it is how general chemistry works. So if your compound has a value of 1, 2, or 3, its prefix will be mono, di, tri, and etc. We also need to not forget that we also need to write DE at the end of the compound. So that is why it is nitrogen monoxide. Now, how do we write the molecular formula? So since nitrogen monoxide only has one molecular compound, which means that we only need to copy the structural formula of the nitrogen monoxide, which is NO, which makes its molecular formula also NO. Now, what does the 3D model of nitrogen monoxide look like? So this is me rotating the 3D model, and this is what we call the ball and stick 3D model. So the color blue stands for the nitrogen and the color red stands for the oxygen. We also have the space filling 3D model. So in this model, again, the color blue is the nitrogen and the red is the oxygen. So, I have provided 3 examples where nitrogen monoxide exists. Now, the first example is the air pollutant generated by automotive engines like this car. The second example is in nature, the lightning. And for the last example is the regulation of nitrogen monoxide in our cardiovascular system. Nitrogen monoxide is a messenger molecule that informs the blood vessels to widen or dilate and contract or relax like an elastic band. If you have enough nitrogen monoxide, our blood vessels can relax and widen, allowing blood to flow smoothly from and to the heart. So as you can see, there, the blood is smoothly flowing together with the nitrogen monoxide. Now that is all for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you guys have learned something new from me, and I hope that I was clear in explaining my compound, which is the nitrogen monoxide. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye!